Hello, good afternoon. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add the Message Me feature to your Simplebooklet document. The first thing you're going to do is log into your dashboard and then locate the Simplebooklet you want to work on. I'm going to do this one here, the first one in the list, and then once you've located it, go ahead and press the Design tab, which is represented as the Painter's Palette. And that will open you up in the Design tab. As you can see, it's highlighted in orange. And then from there, you're going to go to Engage, which is this bullseye icon just on the left-hand side of the menu here. Okay, so here we have many different calls to action, but the one you're looking for is the one that says Message Me. And before I toggle this on, I just want to draw your attention to my nav bar over here. You see I have my contact there. The Message Me will come up right over here, but depending on the layout that you've chosen for your nav bar, it could be in a different location, but it will pop up when you toggle it on. So the little icon is right here. As you can see, it's represented by these two little thought bubbles. And in order to edit that, just press the pencil, which is right beside it. Okay, so what this will do is this will be the sort of public-facing message that your reader will see when they click on those thought bubbles. And I'll show you what I mean in a second. But you're going to want to type in your message here. I'm just going to do something really quick just to demonstrate. Okay, so there's my little message, and then from there you're going to want to click save. But right before I do that, just to let you know, if you do have a Zapier account, you can do the integration right here. And if you don't know what that is, don't worry about it. And then just go ahead and click save. And there you go. This is what the message will look like. So it's asking for the email account of the user and also their message. And then, of course, this is the send button. So anyone can use this form and get in contact with you directly. I'm just going to exit out of here, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in preview. Okay, so here's preview of the desktop. There's the Message Me icon over there. And then if we go to the mobile view, you can see it's just up here. There's the Message Me icon here, and then it will be similar to the tablet view. The Message Me icon will be here. And then from there, people can message you directly just as it says, and they can fill in their information. This can be really useful for letting people just sort of get more information from you depending on the line of work you're in, or depending on what the publication or document you're sending is. And it doesn't take 2 seconds to implement. So there you go. Have a good afternoon.